Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam Lathe courses. In that lecture we try to create that kind of and product, and then we're gonna get our toolpath. Okay, so I just need to start with the that line. Okay, this line, and I'm gonna turn to wireframe and line entities. Of course, before that, almost forgot that. I need to turn back to and millimetric unit right now. Okay, let me turn to configuration and change my configuration to metric unit. Okay, I can turn to here to create my line, and then I can activate my operation page. Okay, I'm gonna turn to vertical line, and then I can start from the origin and click here, and my radius can be 40 millimeter, and then I can write my axis offset as a minus and 80. So this line is created. Okay, so after that, actually this is and the minus 60, it means that we're gonna and turn to horizontal line, and then I can create and 20 millimeters line here, and then I can keep going like this. This is and 70 millimeter, it means that I'm gonna turn to vertical. I can start from here to here, and this is my length. My length must be 5 millimeter. This is the 10 millimeters diameter, and half of the 10 millimeter is 5 millimeter. So this is my radius, and then I can write here minus 40. Okay, after that I can turn to the free form, and then I can start from here to here. Okay, so this line is created like this. Okay, and after that, let me create that line. Okay, this line is and 40 millimeter diameter. I can start from here and vertical, and then I can start from origin to here, and this is my length. My length can be 20 millimeter, and and this is this line, and then I can write minus 20 here. Okay, so it is created. After that, I can turn to the free form again, and then I just need to create horizontal line starting from here and reaching that point. Okay, and then actually I can create another line here by using the free form, and then I can create radius 10. That's gonna be 10. Okay, so okay, let's turn to the last part. This is 20 millimeter diameter actually, and I can create some line like this with length 10 millimeter, and then actually that's enough. This is the 0 position, and then I can turn to here and start from here, and we can reach here, and then I can turn to the fillet and create 10 millimeters fillet for that part. Okay, and then actually we need to create some chamfer here. I can turn to the chamfer option, and with two distance is the same as this part. I can write 3 here, and then I can create my and chamfer here. Of course, that's also gonna turn to here, 3 to 3. Okay, that's it, and this is my geometry. and then I can turn to actually and machine part, lathe and default machine, and then I can use right mouse button, lathe operation, and finish toolpath. Let's just create finish toolpath. I can start from here and reaching here, and then I can use that tool and with actually that radius for finishing process, and this is my feed rate, this is my tool number, and we can also use constant cutting speed, so I can write my maximum spindle speed with and 3200, and then we can activate our reference position for 3. This is also retract position, and then I just need to create one toolpath. This is going to be my lead in and lead out process like this, and then actually it is not necessary to activate plunge parameters, so we're gonna get that kind of toolpath. Okay, that's it, and thank you very much for listening to me. I really appreciated your interest. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me any question. Thank you very much.